Hey, I'm Mark Gilfix. I'm an attorney based in California, here to educate you about complicated legal and financial issues, but in plain English. And today I want to talk about a scary subject, the death tax, and 3 myths around the death tax. Myth number 1, it's not really a death tax. It's an estate tax. If it was a death tax, we would all have to pay it. Our parents would have to pay it. Our grandparents would have to pay it because we're all gonna die one day. And it's actually not the case. You only face this tax if your estate exceeds a very large number. So it's an estate tax, a tax on what you have in your estate when you pass away. That includes the value of your home if you have one, savings, investments, retirement accounts, life insurance policies. But you only face this tax if you exceed the exemption amount. So it's not really a death tax. Myth number 2, I or my parents or my grandparents have to worry about this right now. Chances are you don't. Why? Because the exemption, the amount that you can pass free of tax, is very high. In 2022, it's $12.06 million. In 2023, it's jumping to $12.92 million per person. So for a married couple, you can double that. A married couple can pass over $24 million this year without a penny of estate tax. If you're over that, it's 40% of every dollar beyond the limit. In fact, in 2020, only 1,900 families had to pay estate taxes. That's 1 of every 1,000 deaths in America resulted in estate tax exposure. So chances are you don't have to worry about it now. Myth number 3, I or my parents or my grandparents never have to worry about this. Wrong. The law can change. The exemption is at an all-time high. It's never been this big, and it's gonna come down in the future. On January 1st, 2026, unless the law changes before then, it's gonna go down by 50%. And your estate or your parents' estate or grandparents' estate may be growing. If they have a house, investments, life insurance policies, their estate might be growing, your estate might be growing right as the exemption drops. And we don't know what the law is gonna do in the future. Hopefully we're gonna live a long time, right? And we have no idea what the exemption will be in 5 years, and 10 years, and 15 years. So you have to stay on top of it because it's a punishing tax, 40%. It could be higher in the future. How do you stay on top of it? Follow me. I'll make sure you're on top of this. More tips, more advice around legal and financial issues. Follow me, like this video, share it. Hope everybody's staying safe, sane, and healthy. Take care.